Oh, is this where this is your workshop over here?
Yeah, on the left
Wow.
and right side.
Right. I think it's the top floor.
A lot of sanding belts.
Standing.
You go through those, huh? Wow.
Constant sanding.
Nice. Well, there's your anvil.
Mm-hmm.
He said he's a blacksmith, and every blacksmith's got an anvil.
He's got two of them. He's got one up there, and he's got this one. This is our old forge. We don't do the coal anymore. We do the propane forge now.
Uh-huh.
It beats up your arms and helps.
Uh-huh.
And then he's got that power hammer out there.
You got your old potbelly stove. It looks like it's made out of a tank of some kind.
He made it.
He did?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
And it sure warms up this place.
Oh, I'll bet it does. I'll bet it could sweat you right out of here.
Yeah.
And the drill press, and it's an old drill press. Norcross Tennyson
Hi.
Oil. Hi,
Why?
this is Audrey.
Careful.
Oops, scary! I
I'm cleaning
stepped in your
here.
dirt. Well, I bought a knife.
Oh my God! Can you bring that to on the?
Well, I'm going to call them and find out. And if I have any question, you know what I'm most afraid about is somebody stealing it out of my suitcase. You know, even in the security.
Are you gonna fly?
And I'm
You know
gonna.
what? They won't let you take that through.
Well, I'll check it. No, I'll check
Right.
it in my
But they can
suitcase.
Ship it to you.
But I'm afraid I might have the hotel ship it to me because I'm afraid even if it's in my luggage, they steal stuff out of luggage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if not, we can always ship it to you. Tell us when you want it shipped.
Yeah. So, well, now I'll just I'm going to call the airline, and if I'm worried about it, I'll have them Federal Express
We
it.
have a problem because we make the iron roses, and my son, when he was going back to Arizona, this was a few years back. This is about 7-8 years ago, and being that the rose has the leaves and it's pointy in the bottom,
Yeah.
we had to bring it back. They wouldn't let him, not even an iron rose, take with him.
Even in the suitcase if he checked it on.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, so you say you'll ship?
We'll do some shipping.
Heck, why don't I do that just to be on the safe
Let
side?
him know when you want us to ship it out, and we'll ship it out on that day. And it'll get there. It'll get there when you're there.
Okay.
I think it would be safer for you because
Yeah, I do too. Yeah, it's a nice knife.
And then they don't want to ship it. And the thing is anymore, even with the suitcases, and it goes through the cameras, it picks everything up.
No, I know, and they open them up and look through them, and
Exactly.
they steal stuff out of them sometimes.
So just leave them your address, everything. I don't know if you went back in there.
Yeah, I
and
will.
we'll ship it to you. Just tell us when you want it.
Sounds good.
When you
Thank
want it
you.
there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.